Hi everyone, this is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to repot yung iba nating succulents. So, bakit natin sila i-repot? Kasi yung kanilang pot is too big para dun sa size nila. So, eto yung mga succulents na i-repot natin. Let's have an overview of them. Meron din tayong ipapat ngayon na 2 haworthia na inaprot ko last week. So, ito yung pot na gagamitin natin which is just enough for their size. So, it's a 3x3 square pot. The color is white as you can see in the video. And I already filled it up with our soil mixture na 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone with a little bit of Osmocote. It's only half filled because hindi ko alam kung root bounded na ba yung ibang succulent na irerepat natin. Anyway, we can just add gradually yung soy mixture as needed habang niriripat natin yung mga succulent. And we are going to use black sand as top dressing for today's video. So let's start repotting. First, we have to uproot, but we're not going to remove the soil na nakakapit na doon sa roots nung succulent. And then, let's gradually add our soil mixture. We can also use yung soil mixture kung saan sila pot nang galing, like what I'm doing right now. So, yung soy mixture doon, yung top dressing before na ginamit ko dito sa succulent na to, top with Akadama soil. So, pwede naman yan i-mix. Actually, Akadama soil is being used in Japan for their succulents. Kasama yun sa soil mixture nila. So, maganda naman ang Akadama soil, especially sa cactus pag top dressing. Kaya lang, pricey kasi yung Akadama soil, so I do not use it often sa mga soil mixture ko. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin dito sa video. We have to uproot but we make sure that we do not remove the soil that is already attached to the roots ng succulent, and then add gradually soil mixture as needed. And then, it is also time for us na i-clean up yung mga dried leaves. Kung may mushy leaves, tanggalin na rin natin. Ang mga tips na may bibigay ko lang naman sa inyo based on my experience is that when I repot my succulent, I make sure na yung succulent na i-repot ko is hindi ko diniligan at least 3 days before ko siya i-repot, and make sure na yung potting mix niya is very dry. And the other one is that yung soil mixture na gagamitin ko sa pagrepat sa kanila is also dry. Kasi na-experience ko na gumamit ako ng moist and wet. And eventually, siguro may nasagi ako na root. So, nagka-root rot. Yung iba nag-stem rot. So, dito sa area namin sa Silang Cavite, it is good to use dry potting mix when repotting your succulents. Tapos yung paggamit naman ng top dressing is not a requirement. Why do I use sand as top dressing or cultured soil? Kasi pag wala akong top dressing, yung mga housebird, pinaglalaroan nila yung soil mixture na ginagamit ko. Kasi 'di ba may kasama dun sa loam soil na rice hull. So, kinakaykay nila or something. Basta, inaano nila yung soy mixture. So, hanggang sa maubos yung soy mixture dun sa pot. And, if the birds does that dun sa mga patang succulents ko, nade-deserve yung roots ng mga succulents. So, eventually, masisira yung succulent. So, kaya ako nagta-top dressing, di dahil para gumanda sila or maarte lang ako. Yung reason behind is to cover up yung soy mixture para hindi maglaro dun yung housebird. Pero kahit na may top dressing ako, naglalaro pa rin yung housebird, lalo na pag nadiligan na sila or nabasa sila ng ulan, lumalabas pa rin yung rice hull. Pero at least nababawasan yung paglalaro nila dito sa mga pot ng succulents ko. And it is also very important na kapag magpapatayo ng succulent, kailangan tama yung size na pot na gagamitin natin. Kasi pag sobrang laki, parang hindi din masyado nag-grow yung succulent mo. And another thing is that pag sobrang laki ng pot mo, pag naulanan yan o winater mo siya, ma-overwater siya kasi hindi niya kayang i-absorb lahat ng water na ibinigay mo dun sa potting mix mo or dun sa pot mo. So, as much as possible, kung meron naman kayo available na pot, yun ang gamitin nyo, yung tamang size ng pot, hindi masyadong malaki. Pero sa tingin ko, mas okay kung mas maliit yung pot mo kaysa mas malaki yung pot mo. Kasi, pansinin niyo yung mga minamay natin sa mga seller natin. 'Di ba usually, no, outgrow nila yung kanilang plastic pot, 'di ba? So, parang sa tingin ko, mas okay ang mas maliit ang pot kaysa mas malaki ang pot. Base lang yun sa observation ko. Pero, kayo pa rin naman yung magde-decide kung ano gusto nyong pot. Tsaka, ayaw din ng succulent na maraming soy mixture o potting mix. And then, after repotting them, I usually let them stay in a bright shaded area like our garage na may roof, pero nasisinagan sila ng sunlight dito, morning sunlight, for at least 1 week. And then if nakita ko na stable na sila, na pag ginagalaw ko hindi na talaga nagalaw at marami na silang roots, pwede na silang ilipat sa rain or shine area after a week. If you are not confident enough to put them in a rain or shine area agad, lalo na pagka sila ay uprooted o yung galing sa mga online seller, usually pag mga uprooted na ganon, 2 weeks or 15 days bago ko sila ilagay sa rain or shine area. Ako kasi mahilig ako mag-expose ng mga succulent ko sa rain or shine area. Nakita ko kasi yung difference between sa succulent na nandito sa garage area at sa rain or shine area ko sa veranda. Malaki ang difference. Mas stress in color, mas healthy silang tingnan at mas masaya silang tingnan. Dito kasi sa garage area, ang mostly na nilalagay ko dito is yung mga succulent arrangement ko kasi hindi naman sila pwede sa rain or shine area dahil sigurado magugulo sila pag naulanan sila. Pero okay naman din sila dito kasi nakakakuha sila ng morning sun. Kaya lang hindi ganun ka tagal yung exposure nila sa sunlight. At saka hindi direct sunlight unlike dun sa veranda area. Morning and afternoon sun. So we're finally done. Let's have a final and closer look sa mga succulent na nirepat natin. Enjoy watching! So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing of how I repot my succulents. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.